If you want to brighten your skin to get a radiant skin tone without any discoloration or side effects, try this brightening exfoliating black soap. This black soap can exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cells to give you a radiant skin tone without any side effects or dark patches. Now, if you're interested, all you have to do is to watch this video to the end. Now, let's get down to business. Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In this video today, I'll teach you how to make a very effective black soap, and this black soap is a natural exfoliant. It can help to exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cells and also discolorations. It can also brighten your skin to give you a clear radiant skin tone without any side effects, and it's super easy to make. Now, to make this black soap, here are all the requirements. The first thing you need is a soap base, and you can use any good soap base of your choice. Here I have my homemade aloe vera transparent soap base. So for the soap base, we need 600 grams of soap base. You can use any good soap base of your choice. You can try oatmeal soap base. You can also try goat milk soap base as well. Those are good for this. So for this, we need 600 grams. So go ahead and measure 600 grams. And just in case you want to make it in a small quantity, you can divide the measurements into two. So like I said earlier, this is my homemade aloe vera transparent soap base, and I'll be using it for this. So we'll go ahead and measure 600 grams of soap base. And this is a melt and pour soap base. This means that we're not using any lye solution or any caustic soda. You guys know the process of making soap. So in this particular process, we already have our soap base, so we don't need to start the production from scratch because we already have our soap base. In my next video, I'll teach you how to make soap base. So if you don't have soap base, you can wait for my next video, or if you have it already, you can try this out, or you can get a soap base from the market. It's super easy to get and also very affordable. So what I'm doing here is to cut the soap base into small chunks because I'm going to dissolve it. We need to melt it so as to add the following ingredients. It's actually very easy to make this, and trust me when I tell you that this is a very effective soap and you will love it. Give it a try, especially if you want to enhance your complexion. So like I did in the video, what I did was to melt the soap using a double boiling method. So double boiling method is for you to boil water with a saucepan, and after cutting your soap base into smaller chunks, you can place the bowl on the pot, which is the pot of your simmering water, and then allow it to dissolve completely on a low heat. And after that, you can move on to the next process. So after melting our soap, the next thing we need is oatmeal. So what I have here is oatmeal powder, and I'll be using 10 grams of oatmeal powder. Now, just in case you're using oat milk soap base, don't just worry about adding the oatmeal. You can go ahead and add the following ingredients. Now remember, we're making exfoliating soap, so we need the perfect ingredients for exfoliation. And the first ingredient we added here, which is oatmeal, is a perfect ingredient because it contains compound called saponins, and saponins act as a natural cleanser that removes dirt and oil from skin pores, and that makes it perfect for this. So for the oat powder, we're using 10 grams. So after adding the oat powder, the next ingredient you need is turmeric powder. Now, turmeric is also another important ingredient here because it contains lots of benefits. Turmeric can help to brighten your skin. It can also remove dark spots. It can also help to clear acne. It has lots of benefits. More especially, it helps to lighten dark areas and also dark spots, and that makes it perfect for exfoliation. So we're using 5 grams of turmeric powder. So you add the turmeric powder, go on and mix properly well. Remember, what we did here is to dissolve our soap base, and after that we added the oatmeal powder, and after the oatmeal powder we added turmeric powder, and then mix properly well. Stir properly well to dissolve the oat powder and the turmeric, and after that you can then move on to the next step. Please try and make your research to know more about all these ingredients. These are natural ingredients that can help to improve your skin, trust me. So that's it. Now moving on. After adding the turmeric powder, go on and stir properly well to dissolve all the lumps. Make sure you mix properly well, and you also need to be very fast with this before the soap starts to thicken. So you need to be extremely fast, and please do not do this on the heat, just to be very fast with it. So after mixing properly well, the next thing you need is activated charcoal, and this is also an essential ingredient. Activated charcoal is very good for exfoliation. It helps to exfoliate your skin to get rid of dead skin cells. So it's very good for exfoliation. So that makes it an essential ingredient for this. So you add the activated charcoal and then go on and mix properly well. Please make sure you are very fast. As you can see, this is a melt and pour soap and it thickens fast. So while you're adding your ingredients, please make sure to always stir, and also make sure you're very fast with this. And after mixing properly well, go on and add the next ingredient. And for the next ingredient, I have vitamin E capsule, which is a very important ingredient here. It is very important. Now remember, most of the ingredients we're using here are all exfoliating ingredients, so we need a moisturizing ingredient that can help to balance this. And vitamin E is a very good moisturizer that can help to moisturize and hydrate your skin, and that makes it perfect for this. It also have other benefits. It can help to heal your skin, to get rid of acne, and also to regenerate new skin cells. So that makes it perfect for this. It also helps to brighten your skin as well, so we're using it for that. So after the vitamin E capsule, the next thing you need is lactic acid. And for the lactic acid, we're using just 5 grams of lactic acid. Now this lactic acid is an unavoidable ingredient for this because it has lots of benefits. It will help to boost the effectiveness of the soap, so please do well to add lactic acid. It helps to accelerate skin cell turnover. It also helps to exfoliate your skin. It also helps to harden the soap, like to make the soap hard, which also makes it perfect for this. It also helps to treat hyperpigmentation. It also helps to relieve various skin conditions. So it has lots of benefits. So please do well to add lactic acid. After the video, you can make your research to know more about all these ingredients. So that's it. Add lactic acid, mix properly well, and after that you can transfer it into a soap mold. Now just in case you don't have soap mold, you can use any disposable plate to do this. All you have to do is to pour the soap into a disposable plate and leave it there to harden, and that's it. And after the soap has solidified, you can then cut it into your desired shapes and size. So do not let soap mold to be a barrier for you. So if you have your soap mold, go on and pour it into a soap mold just as you've seen it in the video. Can you see how beautiful this soap is looking? Trust me, you're going to love this. You are going to love it. It's super easy to make, and these ingredients are very amazing, and you will love it. And it's very affordable. Just imagine how many bar soaps I made with this. Like, I'm going to use this for more than 6 months. Yeah, you can see. So you can see, you can try this out, and it's very healthy for your skin. It's very good because they are all natural ingredients. So the next thing I'm going to add is lavender, and this is totally optional. You can do without it. So the reason why I'm adding this is because I did not add any fragrance to this, which was my choice. I didn't want to add fragrance to this, so I just want it to be natural. So because I also want it to smell nice, I'm going to add this lavender to it. So it's totally optional. You can either add lavender or you can add cinnamon. Cinnamon smells good as well, but if you don't have any of these, you can just do without it. So that's it. You can just do with any one of your choice, or you can also add fragrance if you want. But I don't think adding fragrance to this is really that important because it's a natural soap and I love it natural. So I don't really think adding fragrance is cool for me, and all the ingredients smells natural and also nice as well, so you don't have to worry about adding fragrance, especially if you don't know the content of your fragrance. So I'll just recommend you using this without adding any fragrance to it. So after that, I'll cover it and leave it for some time to solidify, and this is after 3 hours, and voila, can you see what we have here? See how beautiful this soap turned out. Trust me, you will love this. This is very good for your skin. This is super good, and this will help you to save money a lot. Like after using this soap, you will want to make it over and over and over and over and over again, because it's super lovely and it's a natural soap. Like I said, it will help to exfoliate your skin, to get rid of dead skin cells. It will also brighten your skin and you will love it. So all I'm just doing here is to package it, and yeah, because we have to make sure that everything is intact, so you have to use maybe a cling film bag and wrap the soap, and after wrapping you can leave it to cure. So yes, we need to give it some time before using it, so I'll leave it for like a week or two before using it. So after making your soap, just leave it for some time, maybe like 1 week or 2 weeks before using it. Is very good, and trust me, the wait is worth it. So you can just try this out. As you can see, it turned out really beautiful, and it's very good for your skin. It's a natural soap that can help to exfoliate your skin, to get rid of dead skin cells and give you a brighter complexion without any side effect or discoloration. So friend, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Gifty and I'm super excited to welcome you to the Gifting family. Thank you so much for joining us, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to watch my next video. And at the end of this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and do not also forget to share this video to your friends. And to my beautiful, wonderful and amazing Gifting, thank you so much for always being here, and I love you guys. So friend, I'll see you in my next video, but before then, stay blessed and keep loving one another. Bye friend.